Cooking with confidence begins with the right tools, and the Gotham Steel 12 pieces ceramic pots and pans set redefines convenience and performance for modern kitchens. Designed to meet the demands of everyday cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike, this non-stick cookware set boasts cutting-edge features, from diamond-reinforced ceramic coating to a non-toxic composition that ensures your family's safety. With over 30 million satisfied customers and continuous innovations, Gotham Steel proves to be a kitchen essential for anyone aiming to cook smarter, healthier, and more efficiently. Key features. 1. Revolutionary non-stick coating. The Gotham Steel cookware's triple-layer ceramic non-stick coating is a game-changer. Reinforced with diamonds, it ensures effortless food release, eliminating the need for oils or butter. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate this hassle-free cleanup and healthier cooking option. Number 2. Complete 12-piece set. This comprehensive set includes 8.5-inch skillet, 10.5-inch frying pan with lid, 5-quart stockpot with lid, 1.5-quart and 2.5-quart saucepans with lids, XL stainless steel steamer insert, shallow square frying pan with tempered lid. Each piece is crafted for versatility, whether you're sautéing, frying, boiling, or steaming. 3. Dishwasher-safe. Post-cooking cleanup has never been easier. Each piece in the Gotham Steel set is dishwasher-safe, making it a time-saving addition to any kitchen. 4. Enhanced heat distribution. Even heat distribution is crucial for consistent cooking results. The spiralized aluminum base ensures there are no hot spots, giving you evenly cooked meals every time. 5. Non-toxic and safe. Cook with peace of mind knowing this cookware is free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, PFOS, PFAS, lead, and cadmium. It's a safer choice for your family and the environment. Benefits that stand out: healthier cooking. With its non-stick, oil-free surface, Gotham Steel lets you prepare guilt-free meals that retain their natural flavors without unnecessary fats. Durability and longevity. The diamond-reinforced coating resists scratches and wear, ensuring your cookware remains in excellent condition for years to come. Backed by a 10-year guarantee, this set is built to last. Oven-to-table versatility. Oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, these pots and pans transition seamlessly from stovetop to oven, making them perfect for recipes requiring varied cooking methods. Why choose Gotham Steel? Trusted by millions. With over 30 million satisfied users worldwide, Gotham Steel's reputation speaks for itself. Their dedication to improving kitchen performance is evident in every product. User-friendly design. Ergonomic, stay-cool handles ensure comfort and control during cooking, while the lightweight design allows easy maneuverability without compromising durability. Stylish aesthetic. Not only does this cookware set perform exceptionally well, but it also adds a sleek, modern touch to your kitchen with its polished ceramic finish. Conclusion. This Gotham Steel 12 pieces ceramic non-stick cookware set is more than just cookware. It's a tool to revolutionize your kitchen. With superior non-stick technology, exceptional durability, and a focus on health and safety, this set is ideal for anyone looking to elevate their culinary skills. Whether you're crafting gourmet dishes or quick weeknight meals, Gotham Steel is the trusted companion every cook needs. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.